Welcome to the second lesson in how to learn Zapier in 14 days. I'm so glad to have you back. Today, we're going to go a layer deeper and move beyond automating help desk tickets and actually surfacing them to the right teams for a faster resolution. Doing so quickly and automatically means you can reduce the ticket volume faster and enable your product, support, and engineering teams to self-serve without your oversight. So, our Zap will look like this. When a new record is added to our IT support table, the request will be directed to the right team through the path step. If the request is for the engineering team, it will be added to their Jira board and the team will be notified through Slack. If the request is for the product team, it will be added to their table as a new record and the team will be notified through Gmail. So, with all that said, let's get building. We start at the Zapier dashboard and click on the Create Zap button to get started. We'll start by setting up the trigger. This is what starts our Zap. Choose Zapier Tables as the app and New Record as the event. Select the table where new records will trigger the Zap. Then, test the trigger to ensure Zapier can pull in a sample record. Now, add a path step. This will create conditional logic, allowing us to route the new record based on the team. Let's set up path A for the engineering team. Name the path and set the condition to team containing engineering. We can see here that the path would not have continued for this test record because the team was data, not engineering. This means that we set up our path step right because we don't want entries other than engineering to pass through this step. Moving on, we'll add two actions. First, choose Jira Service Management as the app and create request as the event. We'll connect our Jira account and configure the issue details, such as project, request type, and summary of issue. Then we'll test the action to ensure the issue is created in Jira. Nice work! Next, we'll add our second action step, which is to notify the engineering team in Slack. Choose Slack as the app and send channel message as the event. Connect your Slack account, choose the channel, and configure the message content. As always, we'll test the action to ensure the message is sent to the Slack channel. Awesome work! So now every time a new record is added to tables and has engineering under the team's field, it will be added to Jira and then sent as a notification to Slack. Now, let's set up path B for our product team. Name the path and set the condition to team not containing engineering. And we can see here from the test that the path would have continued for this test record because the team was not engineering. For path B, we'll also add two actions. First, choose Tables as the app and Create Record as the event. Select your table and map the fields from the trigger to the columns in Zapier Tables. Then test the action to ensure the new record is added to tables. Great job! Moving on to our last action step, choose Gmail as the app and send email as the event. We'll connect our Google account and configure the email details, such as recipient, subject, and body. And finally, we test the action to make sure the email is sent to the right team. And it works! To recap, when a new record is added to tables and includes a team name that doesn't contain engineering, that request will be added to another Zapier table and sent to Gmail for the product team. Now that all the final touches have been added, click Publish to turn on your Zap. And that's it! You've successfully built a Zap to route new records based on the team. In the next lesson, we'll switch things up and make our own virtual FAQ chatbot using Zapier chatbots. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.